Riverside County Divorce, what you need to know before filing. If you're planning to file for divorce in Riverside County, there are a few important things you should know before you get started. Divorce is a legal process, and while California has a standardized set of forms and procedures, each county, including Riverside, has its own way of doing things. Getting familiar with the local process ahead of time can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. First, make sure you meet the residency requirement. At least one of you must have lived in California for 6 months and in Riverside County for at least 3 months before filing. If you don't meet that requirement, you'll have to wait before filing in Riverside. Next, understand that filing for divorce in Riverside means more than just filling out a few forms. You'll need to file your petition, summons, and the UCCJEA if children are involved. Riverside County accepts electronic filing, which makes the process more convenient, but the court is very strict about paperwork being complete and accurate. Once the case is filed, your spouse must be properly served. This can be done by a third party or, in cooperative cases, by having them sign a notice of acknowledgement and receipt. Either way, a proof of service must be filed to keep your case moving forward. Both parties will also need to exchange financial disclosures. These include a schedule of assets and debts and an income and expense declaration. This step is mandatory, even in uncontested divorces, and skipping it is one of the biggest reasons the court will reject a final judgment. Once all that is complete, you can submit your final judgment package. But here's where many people run into problems. If anything is missing, incomplete, or incorrectly filled out, the court will reject your paperwork, causing delays and added stress. We recently helped a couple in Riverside who had attempted to file on their own. They were in agreement on everything, but their paperwork was rejected twice due to errors in their financial disclosures and settlement agreement. They came to us frustrated, and we stepped in to review and fix everything. We resubmitted their judgment and had it approved within a few weeks. At Divorce 661, we know exactly what the Riverside County Court is looking for. We handle the entire process from start to finish, ensuring your paperwork is filed correctly, your deadlines are met, and your judgment is approved without unnecessary delays.